Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will determine and check whether the given number is an odd or even number using ternary operator in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. By the way guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my websites. So basically guys, I'm using dev C++ in developing this program. So we have here line number 1, sharp include IOStream for input output. Using namespace, int main, it is the starting and ending point of every C++ program. We have here the left curly bracket begin, and then I declare a variable num with I initialize with the value 0. So the num here is an integer. So when we say integer, it refers to a data type that can accept only whole numbers, negative, positive, including 0. And then we have here new line here, console out, title of our program \t horizontal tab, add an even number using ternary operator in C++, new line here. And then in this line of code, we are asking the user to give a number that will be stored in our num variable, new line. Num modulus 2 equals 0. If it is true, then this is the ternary operator. So the num is, or whatever number is, an even number. Else if it is false, it becomes odd. Okay, so we have here new line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, new line, and then right curly bracket to end the body of our C++ program. Let us go to execute, compile and run. Okay, our program is running right now. Add even number using ternary operator in C++, give a number, let's say 9. 9 is an odd number, end of program. Another example, execute, run, let's say 2. 2 is an even number, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new on how to use and declare ternary operator in C++ to determine if the given number by the user is odd or even number. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.